Reporting from Whidbey Island. We got a UFO, folks. That's as close as I can zoom in on it, too. I'll tell you right now, that's not a frickin' drone, and it's not no damn satellite, and no helicopter or plane. Amen. I guess that's what you call one of those orbs. Or a wheel in a wheel. You see, oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Blown away I am. Friggin' awesome. Try to keep it in sight here. I'm having a hard time standing up. Got a really bad back. There she is. Do your magic. Pretty wild, man. So yeah, they've got them all over the United States now. They're all the way up here in Washington State. Wow. Pretty darn incredible. Incredible. Zoom back out a little bit. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That's how far away it really is. He's way up there. Zoom in again. Boy, they sure make nice cameras these days on these phones, don't they? Look at that. Wow. You see me, don't you? You feel me? Look at that. You feel me watching you, don't you? I know you do. Yeah. That's not our military. That's not a drone. That's something else, folks. Something else indeed. Look how it's pulsing. So freaking cool. So freaking cool. Oh, settle down, boy. Just too cool. I wonder why you're watching me, or watching us all. It's kind of hard to keep it in, moving around a little bit. Wow. That is so awesome. I'm here, I'm friendly. I hope you are as well. You come to save us from all the evil shit that's going on our planet right now? Surely hope so. We need saving. These sheeple need saving. In a desperate, bad way. Wow. I'm hip, man, I'm hip. What, Jacko? What's the matter? What's the matter, big guy? Huh? You freaking out too? It's alright. He'll take you with us. I'll make him take you with us. Wouldn't leave you